Hello everyone, welcome to this YCloud tutorial. Today we'll quickly walk you through how to broadcast WhatsApp messages, from importing contacts, to creating a marketing template, to sending your campaign and reviewing analytics. We'll start in the Contacts module, because a broadcast always begins with preparing your audience. Click Add Contacts. Then choose to add manually or upload a file. Your file must include each user's phone number, while nickname and tag fields are optional. After uploading, you can create segments as needed. For example, if you want a group of users located in China, simply filter by country and set the value to China, then save the segment. Next, go to the Templates module, since every broadcast message must be approved by WhatsApp. Click Add Template. Then choose the Marketing category. If you'd like to learn how to send WhatsApp utility or authentication messages, feel free to check out our previous videos for the full walkthrough. Give your template a unique name and select your language. The name can only contain lowercase letters, numbers, or underscores. Then enter your marketing content, such as promotions, product announcements, or greeting messages. You may also add CTA buttons or quick replies to encourage customer actions. Once ready, submit it for review. Once your template is approved, go to the Campaign module. Click Add Campaign and choose WhatsApp as the channel. Name your campaign. Select your sending number, template, and language. You may send immediately or schedule it for later. Then configure your recipients by manual input, file upload, or selecting a segment created earlier. If the template contains variables, uploading a file is recommended so each variable is matched with the correct value. Manual input only supports fixed values. If your template includes media or variables, configure them here. After checking the preview, submit the campaign. If you have questions during your broadcast setup or want us to cover more related tutorials, drop a comment below and we'll create more content for you. After submitting your campaign, you can see all activities in the campaign list. Click the Analytics button to view delivery results, read rates, and interaction metrics. You can also download the full dataset for offline analysis, and that's the full process of creating a WhatsApp broadcast. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll help you out. Don't forget to follow YCloud for more tutorials. See you next time.